Hello, I'm Mr. Heron. This is Math 3A College Algebra. Welcome to College Algebra here in the fall semester of 2020. I just want to run over a few things with you to give you some instructions for this course on what you're going to need. Basically, everything's right there in our Canvas course site. Let me start by saying you will need to have a desktop or laptop with a webcam, a web camera. Most laptops automatically have a webcam on them. If you have a desktop computer, you're going to need to either purchase or maybe already have a webcam, because our 5 exams and our final will need to be taken on video. That way I keep things secure in the class. So for security, you have to take your exams being videoed by a program called Proctorio that lets me know if there's any funny business or anything like that. So a webcam is required for this course. If you don't have one, the Fresno City College Library is checking out, I don't know if they have any laptops left. I know they have iPads. iPads won't work, unfortunately. So if they still have laptops and you don't have one, grab one from Fresno City College. If not, if you just have a desktop, buy a $20 webcam for it. That is required for the course. If you have a big problem with that, contact me through my text or email and let me know, and we can try to work something out to help you meet that requirement. You don't need it for, by the end of the week, you'll need to have a webcam for the first sample exam, which is due at the end of the week. It's just for the exams. Okay, let me move on from there. Everything else in the course is free. Textbook is part of Canvas. It's open, OER, open educational resource, free. It's a great homework system. I'm going to make a little video to help you see how to use the homework system. It gives you infinite tries. You can do it as many times as you want till you get it right, 100% credit. There's videos attached to almost every homework problem in the course, made by either me or James. Most of them are made by a gentleman named James Sousa. He's excellent. And we both are making these videos, and they're on almost every homework problem, showing you how to do the problem with different numbers. The system randomizes the numbers on every homework problem, and then the video shows me or James Sousa solving an example of that problem type for you to see. So that's the main instruction that'll happen. It's problem by problem. When you have trouble, click on the video link that's attached to the homework problem that's giving you trouble, and you should see me or James Sousa solving it, or maybe every now and then somebody else solving it for you. I also, in addition to that, I have regular Zoom office hours. My office hours will be Wednesdays and Sundays. The reason I did that is because homework is always due Wednesdays and Sundays, so I thought that'd be easiest for you. So Wednesdays, 10 to 11 in the morning and 5 to 7 at night, and then Sundays, just the night, 5 to 7 at night. So that's when I found students usually want the help, is in the evening when stuff is due. So that's when I'm available. I'll be on Zoom, so we can face-to-face work. I can actually write right on your screen. You can show me the problem, homework problem that's giving you trouble. I can write right on your screen, show you the steps, or I can share my screen with you and write, and you can see me do it. So we can definitely work. You can hear my voice. Zoom's great. Also available is Mr. Elijah Mua. He's our embedded tutor this semester. He's excellent. He's great at math, great at tutoring and explaining mathematics. He's worked with me in Math 3A before, so he's got experience. He'll be super helpful to you, and he'll be putting his hours up on Canvas under the tutoring link pretty soon to let you know when he's available. So those are the main ways you're going to get help in this course. Oh, in addition, if my hours aren't working and you're having trouble connecting with Elijah as well, then you can send me a text. You don't even have to wait that long. Just send me a text. My text number is on the syllabus. It's also listed on Canvas under Instructor Help. So send me a text and say, Mr. Heron, can we meet on Zoom sometime later today between 3 and 5? And I'll get back to you and say, okay, yeah, 4 o'clock I can meet. And then we'll meet on Zoom. If you can't do my normal Zoom hours, then send me a text, set up a meeting, and I can help you. So that's the way in which you will be helped this semester to be successful in Math 3A College Algebra. Especially the videos attached to every homework problem, and then my office hours, Elijah's tutoring hours, and then my cell phone number so you can text me and set up other times. I also provide practice exams right before each of our 5 exams. We'll have 5 exams and 1 final exam, and then a bunch of homework, about 8 sections of homework or so on every exam, and then at the end we take the final. So I also provide practice exams, as I said, before each of the exams, which show you really exactly what's going to be on the exam. Those have videos as well. So everything's there for you to succeed in this class, but it does take some time. Math requires a high level of time commitment, but if you put in that time, all the resources are there to help you make it successfully through this class. I'm looking down at my notes here. Is there anything else I need to tell you? I'm going to make, after this video, watch the exam notes video. I'm basically showing you how I want you to take notes and then submit them for some extra points. On every exam, I'm going to ask you to submit the first page of your notes to get some points for that and to encourage you to take good notes just to help you get ready for the exams. All right, that's all I can think of. You feel free to email me or text me. My text number, I'll just say it right now, but it's also on the syllabus and on the instructor help, 559-709-3898. Text me, email me. I'm glad to help. And if you have any trouble with the Canvas system, let me know. The first homework that's due, yeah, that'd be a good thing to share with you. The first homework that's due is due on a Sunday of this first week, Sunday the 16th at midnight. Stuff is always due Wednesdays and Fridays at midnight. Nothing this Wednesday. The first assignment is this Sunday the 16th at midnight. 2 sections of homework, 2.5 and 2.6. You'll see it on Canvas. And also a sample exam. That's just there. It's just one simple question. 1 + 2 = what? That's literally the question. It's just to make sure your technology is working. Specifically, your webcam is working. So when we get to the real exams, you won't have any trouble. So also make sure you use Google Chrome as your browser when you take the sample exam. You must use Google Chrome. No other browser will work. And you must have a webcam. So that's what the sample exam is about. That's due this Sunday at midnight, the 16th. So it's homework 2.5, 2.6, and also the syllabus quiz, just to make sure you've read the syllabus and the instructor information so that you know how to navigate this course. So that stuff's all due this Sunday the 16th. You'll see it on Canvas, homework 2.5, 2.6, sample exam, and syllabus quiz. All right, welcome to Math 3A College Algebra in the fall of 2020.